Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys, and today I'll be showing you how to add a header to your Wix website. So guys, this is very easy to do, so make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure it works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead and open up your website dashboard on Wix.com. So guys, after doing that, now you will want to open up your website in edit mode, and you will do that by clicking this button right here called edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site, and as you can see here guys, now this will open up our website in a new tab in editor mode. So you guys will know you're in editor mode by all the options on the left side of the screen that enable you to edit your website. So guys, first things first, you want to know the page where you want to add a header for. So after doing that guys, you'll want to find this option right here called pages and menu. So go ahead and click on this option right here called pages and menu, and this will open up this new options tab where you can edit your pages. So let's say this is the page where we want to add our header to, and make sure we have a header. So you want to click on this option the right side of the page, these three dots, and this will open up this options tab where you want to select settings. Go ahead and click on settings guys, and now in this new option tab you want to go ahead and click on layout. Clicking on layout guys, you want to make sure that you have selected standard, as standard is the option for the page so that it can have a header and footer. As you can see, the next option is no header and footer. So guys, make sure that standard is selected, and as you can see here guys, now we have a header in the upper side of the screen. Here we can edit the text of our header, we can change everything, we can change pictures and logos on our header, we can add sections, we can resize the header, and so on and so on. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.